Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Tanzil Kitchen. So friend, here I am back with a new recipe as always, and today's recipe is karai chicken. So I have added here a lot of capsicum and onions. Without any further ado, let's get started with this recipe. So first here I took 1.5 kg of meat, and here I am adding 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. After that I am adding here 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chili powder. So mix it properly all together. So guys, I forget here to add the salt. Now let's add the salt with it. So I am adding here 1 tablespoon of salt just for the taste and marination. Mix it properly for 2 to 3 minutes. So now you can see here it is ready for marination. Keep it aside for 30 minutes. So let's heat up the karai, and after that I will add here 6 to 7 tablespoons of mustard oil. Our oil is ready. Let's add 1 tablespoon of cumin seed and let it splutter. After that I am adding here 3 to 4 dry chilies. Now it's time for adding the marinated chicken. So here I'm adding slowly add, because the oil is totally hot enough. Let us fry for some time. After that we will add all the ingredients we need. Okay, so here you can see I'm dabbing it downward. So okay, now it's ready. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now mix it with the salt and flip it so that the other side also can be fried. Now I am adding here 2 to 3 bay leaves. And now here I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. After that I will add here green chili. Here only not green, that is red in color also. So add as much as you want. Cook on medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. In a bowl I took 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, jeera powder, garam masala, coriander powder. Mix it with water, and now it is ready. Pour this mixture in the meat. After mixing, now I am adding here sliced onions. Took here 4 to 5 large onions. So you can see here the amount of it. Now stir it for 2 to 3 minutes again. I am adding here 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix with the chicken so that the raw smells go off. Now add tomato, which I have sliced it in this way. Here I added 2 to 3 tomatoes. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes until the tomato becomes soft. Now the chicken is leaving the water. Now you can see here, I haven't add any water till now. Now our chicken has totally changed in color. So time to add the capsicums. 2 to 3 capsicum I have added here. So in this size you have to cut. And I'm adding here onions which I have cut it into petal size. So okay, now just mix it with the chicken. It looks so yummy, capsicum and onions. Our chicken is already cooked, so I am cooking only the capsicum and the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. The oil has been separated, so our chicken is ready. Adding some coriander leaves. So you can see our chicken is ready. So let's serve it. So now you can see it is so yummy and tasty, and just try it at your home. And now I am adding some coriander for garnishing. Have this recipe with chapati, naan, it will be yummy. So here I added some onion rings. So you can see the plating is very perfect. Try it at your home and serve it hot, so everyone will like it. So hope you guys are enjoying my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and do share with the family and friends. And then I will be back with a new recipe as always. So for now, bye bye, take care.